If you've had no experience or little experience with Google Earth before, this short video tutorial should help you get started with this activity. So, I'm going to zoom into Libreville in the Gabon. There we go, moving into West Africa. I want to know a little bit more about that location. So I'm going to select it, right click, look at the properties, and that gives me the degrees of latitude and longitude. Notice that's in degrees, minutes and seconds. I can change that into degrees and decimal degrees by clicking on options and changing that there. I think that really helps this activity. So I real click, properties, there we go. So Libreville is at 0.39 degrees latitude and 9.45 degrees longitude. Where is that exactly? Well, I can help myself by looking at the grid. So I put view and then grid. I'll just zoom out, and that might just help me see where that is exactly. You notice that the equator has appeared on the map, and that 0 degrees or close to 0 degrees latitude actually tells me that Libreville is very, very close to the equator. So for this activity I want to do a measurement about the equator. So I need to have two positions on the equator, or very, very close to them. Okay, so I'm going to change this position not to 0.39 and 9.45. I'm going to change that so it's exactly on the equator. There's several ways I can do that. I can move the point manually like this, or I can enter a new point and type in the exact placement. So here we go, I'm going to add a place mark, and I'm going to put that at 0 degrees there, and just to make things easy here I'm going to put that at 10 degrees longitude. Let's call that place mark A. Click OK, and that's put exactly where I want. I'm going to put a second place mark on the equator as well. So that needs to be 0, and I want to put it far enough away so that I can get a decent measurement. So just to make things easy here, I'm going to put it at 20 degrees. Okay, so place mark A is at 0 degrees latitude and 10 degrees longitude, and place mark B is 0 degrees latitude and 20 degrees longitude. So I'll leave it to you to work out the angle between the two. Now I want to use the measurement tool to measure exactly how far these two place marks are apart. So there is the little ruler. Click on that, and I'm going to select one place and scroll across to the other one, and there we can see that that's 1,109 kilometers away. I can save that, and I can put the details in if I want to, but that's the information that I need for this measurement.